Do you know you can have up to 5 accounts in one Instagram app? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add another account to your Instagram account. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elze Stella. I'm an entrepreneur and a digital marketer. And here in this channel, I upload videos 2 times a week. I share tips on how to grow your business online and offline and some DIY home remedies. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to, step by step on how to add another Instagram account to your Instagram app. You don't need an extra app to do it. Just with your one-time Instagram app, you can have up to 5 accounts in one app. So it is very important if you want to go into business, if you want to start doing business in Instagram, you might need an extra account. You wouldn't like to share your personal information in your business account, so you need a business account and a personal account. Myself, I have up to 2 accounts, and with this video I'm going to add another account to my Instagram just to show you how to add another account to your Instagram account. So guys, let's dive into it. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you how to add another Instagram account to your Instagram account. So you don't need any other app to do this. With your one-time Instagram account, you can add up to 5 accounts to it. So before you go ahead, you make sure that you have an internet connection, and then go to Instagram. When you go to Instagram, then you click on the profile button below, and after that you click here. Then you see down here, you can see my other accounts. Then you see add account. Click on add account and come down here and click sign up. You say sign up with email or phone number. I'm going to click on sign up with email or phone number. Then I can see my old email, my old phone number that I use in my other account. So that means you can use the phone number and the email you use in your previous account to open a new one. So I'll go ahead and click on next. But if you want to change the phone number, you can still change it. Then here I'm going to add my username and password. Choose any username and password of your choice. So I'm going to choose the username and password. All right, so I advise that you make your password very strong. So I'm going to click on continue without synchronizing contacts, and they say welcome to Instagram, and your account is ready. Click on next. If you want to change username, you can go ahead and click on change username, but I'm going to click on next. I'm doing this, I'm opening this account just for this video, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to skip all this, add photos and follow people and all that. I'm going to skip all of them because I'm not going to use this account. And your account is ready. So after that, you can go ahead and set up your profile the way you want it. You can start following people, put your profile picture.